Hey everyone, welcome to the very first blog from Parallel Engine. I'm super excited to finally start sharing our journey of building our game, King of the Pirates, with you. This is a behind the scenes look at how we are building everything from ground up. And in this episode, I'll walk you through our current login system and the visible game UI and what's coming soon. Let's launch our application. So as you can see, like a basic level of UI over here, where we are showing the version of the app that is currently available. So that is version v 0.0.01, which is a minor alpha version. Alpha as in internal testing version. The moment we release for public, it will be divided into major and minor for public release or beta release. Now, looking at the login screen, we can see there are 5 buttons at the bottom. One is for Facebook login, the second one is for the Google login, third one is for the Apple login, and fourth one is Game Center. So Game Center is pretty much same as Apple login, so we will later on replace it with Discord. So instead of Game Center, we will have a Discord login option over here, and then you can see continue as guest. So right now we don't have the implementation for SSO login, which is Facebook, Google, Apple, or Discord. We only have the continue as guest, which is a guest login. So once you click on the guest continue as guest, you will log in as a guest user. So the moment you log in as a guest user, your account is created. In the account right now we have dummy data for resources and diamond. That's why you can see those like crazy numbers in the billion for resources. So if you look at the screen right now, you can see in the UI there are two major sections. One is the bottom section and one is the top header section. In the header section you can see your profile picture, and below that you have your stamina bar. Then on the right of it you get all the 4 resources, which are namely food, wood, coal and iron. So and below the resources you can see there is power. So power is something that gradually increases. It gets affected by the building power. So whenever you upgrade a building, there is some power that is allocated with that building, that will be allocated to this one. Then when you train your troops, each troop individually contributes to your power, so that will increase your power. Then you have VIP levels. Right now VIP levels are not integrated, so once we have them integrated, users will have the option to unlock the VIP levels or buy more VIP levels. Then below that you can see there are diamonds, that is 999.99 billion. And then below that you can see the villagers. So villagers are working resources in your city. And then you can see 10:13 a.m. that's the current in city time. So if I zoom out, you can see the sky behind it. So that sky will change gradually. So there is a concept of day, evening, night and morning. So right now this is a morning sky, and the colors like the sun shading that you see on the game screen as well, it's according to the morning time. So once the time reaches somewhere around 1 or 2 p.m, it will become afternoon time, and then once it is like 5 to 6 p.m, it would be like evening time. So all the shadings will be according to that. And when it's night time, so something around 8 p.m, then the night sky will be there. So you will be able to see the night sky in the background, and your city will be completely dark. And you can see these lamps over here. So these lamps are the one that will be lit up, and your city will be visible through the lights of these lamps only. Now coming to these bottom part, so if you go to the bottom part, you can see there is option for heal, which will open your hospital. So right now the hospital is not unlocked, we haven't worked on it, so that's why you are able to see the hospital screen, but this button will be unlocked once you have the hospital created. Then you have a inventory, where all your inventory items will be, like resources, speed up or any other type of inventory items. Then you have alliance. So alliance option is also not something that should be available from the get-go. It will be available once you have your war council building constructed. So that is somewhere around level 8. And then you have an option to go to the world map. So world map is like an open sea, so you can navigate through it, and you will see many like idle islands, and then other players will be on this world map. You can interact with them. So right now the world map is not implemented, so we are not seeing anything changing on over here. The only thing that is implemented is the city. And in the city, if you see in the top left corner, we have this profile button. So when we click on this profile button, we are taken to the users profile section. So it will show you your own details, like what is your ID, what is your power, what how many kills you have done, what alliance you are associated with, and then the C. So C is basically a server. So each server will have somewhere around 25,000 players. So once the C is full with 25,000 players, the new players will be shifted to some new C, like #5 or #6. So this is the C count. Then right below the profile picture, you can see the stamina bar. So right now it is 200/200. So the game starts with full stamina. Whenever you go to the world map and do some kind of action like attack any monster, so at that time your stamina will be reduced. So attacking a low level monster will reduce less stamina, attacking a high level monster will reduce more stamina. So this will be the concept. Now you can see 4 buttons at the bottom. Right now these buttons are not implemented, but they are for their individual screens. So if we go to the skins, here all the player skins and purchasable skins will be visible. Player can change those skins. According to that, their look on the world map and the look on the city map will change. Then we have troop section. So here all the troops that player have trained, how many troops they have sent out in the marches, or how many troops are there in the hospital. All those information will be listed over here. Then we have leaderboard. So the rankings, the server level ranking or clan level ranking or cross server level ranking, all those rankings will be visible in the leaderboard. In the settings, we have the settings section. So here all the in-game settings will be controllable through this one. Now the 5 buttons that you can see over here, 6 buttons. One is on the left, this arrow mark. So this is for your basically builder information or march information or any other information that there will be, like for if it is for city, any construction ongoing or any troops under training, all that information will come under city section. And when you click on the world, all the things that are you're doing on the world, like interacting with the world, attacking someone or sending out the march or collecting gathering resources, all that information will be over here. Now the buttons that are below, so we have on the left side we have the daily task button or daily mission or special missions button. Then we have the bonus button. So clicking the bonus button, all the information regarding the bonus will be listed over here, and all the bonus items that are there will be listed over here. Now coming to the right side, we have captain quarter button, then we have troop training button, then we have the in-game message button. These buttons are not yet implemented, so these are only placeholders. Plan of this game is a very balanced RTS game. So you might be aware of how the RTS games are very imbalanced, as they are generally pay to win, and the players who pay more generally get way too powerful at the beginning of the game, and then there is no balancing algorithm going on in the game to make sure that players who are playing the game for free are able to catch up to players who are spending money in game. So our plan with this game is to basically build something that is more enjoyable for everyone, and something that is more balanced. If you are paying, definitely you will get some advantage, but that's not something like a permanent advantage. You will have something that will restrict you for some time. I won't say like it's a permanent restriction, because definitely you have paid for something, so you deserve it. But let's say you have a hero, and when you attack someone, that hero, if it is a purchased one, then definitely its stats would be high. So you can't have something with high stats in every attack, right? So eventually your hero's health will go down per attack, and that way you won't always have one strong hero. So that way you will be restricted over time from attacking continuously to other players, because your heroes would be damaged, and you literally can't reuse them again and again. So that way players who are playing for free, they will also have some advantage. So these are a few of the pain points that we are going to work on and improve the RTS gameplay world. Also, the theme of our game is around pirates, highly influenced by One Piece anime and the uh, movie. So the pirate movie that we have been seeing since childhood, Pirates of the Caribbean, with our very favorite character Jack Sparrow. So hope this turns out really good and everyone enjoys it. We have future plans to improve the UI and the sound as well as the UX, because as you can see, some of the buttons are not behaving very good right now. We are planning to make things more smooth and enjoyable for everyone, to make sure everyone gets a luxurious experience through our game. Mm. Thank you, and wait for other devlogs for getting an insight on what things are working and how we have implemented those things.